Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Life and Living. This is the way after breaking the house, they're digging the soil to remove. After that, they will dig the basement portion, the one concrete structure under the soil. They will remove. So here they want to construct a G+3 house, and this was a two-storied building, and the two-storied building is now almost been demolished. Only maybe something like 5% is remain, or 10% is remain. The one under the ground soil is remain. After they will remove this soil, they will use this bulldozer to dig the soil and the ground construction, concrete construction under the ground, under the soil. Thank you. Please enjoy our videos, subscribe and share. Thank you very much again.